Hello. So let's talk something deep. Recently, I had a conversation with a client, and she came for a tarot consultation because she told me that she doesn't trust her husband. She has a lot of trust issues, and होनी भी चाहिए क्योंकि when they were in relationship, her husband used to cheat on her a lot of times, and after that, she got married to him, and it seems that the conversation से यही पता चला कि she was also like all of a sudden she got married and she is not now ready to accept or she feels that maybe कुछ गलती ही की कर दी थी शादी करके इसी इंसान के साथ but ठीक है they got recently married but she came for a tarot consultation in order to check that उसके husband उसको cheat तो नहीं कर रहे फिर से so she was very confused in almost each and every areas of life जो कि बहुत हद तक हम सब से कहीं ना कहीं किसी भी मोड़ पे ये जुड़ती रहती है नो वी कैन रिलेट टू ऑल दो स्टफ्स so the thing is that when she connected with me eventually the conversation started deep and she started expressing her wounds to me and I just told her that can you tell me how was your childhood, was it a very fun filled, how is your friend, how is your parent, everything. She told me that childhood was good, it's normal. And I just told her that, do you remember any incident of your childhood days where you felt or where you carry a trauma जिसे आप heal नहीं कर पाए हो या जिसे आप भूल नहीं पाए हो. So she expressed me, उसको सोचना भी नहीं पड़ा and then she just all of a sudden then instantly she told that yes there was a moment when she was in grade 2 and she was belittled by group of friends. She was asked to leave all of a sudden and उसका reason उसको अभी भी पता नहीं चला, आज तक पता नहीं चला. She cried a lot. She confessed her, expressed her feelings to one of her closest friend and but still वो wound कहीं ना कहीं wound ही रह गया and because of that incident she started she felt that no, I should not express my true self to everybody, which is okay. We need not have to express our true self to each and everyone because सबके लिए हम नहीं होते हैं. This is completely okay. But क्या वो अपने आप को भी कहीं भूल चुकी थी? हमें सबको एक्सप्रेस नहीं करना है बट शायद वो खुद को भी एक्सप्रेस करना भूल चुकी थी. वो अपने ट्रू सेल्फ को कहीं ना कहीं छुपा के रख चुकी थी. I told her that you have enveloped yourself and तुम्हें वो ट्रू सेल्फ नहीं दिखाना है क्योंकि शायद कोई तुम्हें जज करेगा. And that is true. She was telling, yes, it is perhaps you're right, probably you're right. Also she added that 3 years back her only brother got expired because of bike accident and after that she was numb. उसको हर हर एक्सीडेंट जब भी वो सुनती है उस इंसिडेंट के बाद she started laughing. Is not it weird? It is not weird. It can happen with anyone. When you can't process your emotions, when you are deeply hurt, your nervous system gets stuck. And that is so normal. But this is a high time to heal ourselves, heal the nervous system. I gave her a healing. I did a advanced Ho'oponopono with her because she was also dealing with her career. So I did a career Ho'oponopono healing with her. And after that healing, she told that her cells are she's breathing again. Sometimes we just need someone to listen to. Sometimes we need just some healing words to heal us. The reason behind posting this is I feel that we start attracting our partner or we start attracting someone in our life intimate level पे मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, romantic level पे. Basically she attracted a kind of a person who maybe he's not right now he's not cheating with her but the trust issues she got, the trust issues जो अभी भी उसमें है, so वो कहीं ना कहीं inner child से ही आया हुआ है. And most of the relationships they suffer because of inner child trauma or inner child issues. So it's very much needed to embrace our inner child because our inner child has a lot of traumas, lot of stories which they also need to be heard. They need our attention. They need our love. Reparenting our inner child is our priority. Take care.